Hello and welcome to our instructional video on reducing a rational expression to lowest terms in this video. We will be focusing on simplifying the expression 2 * x caret 2 to 4 * x divided by x. Follow along closely as we go step by step to reduce this expression to its lowest terms. Let's get started. Step 1. To solve the problem, start by looking at the original expression. The expression is 2x squared minus 4x over x. The goal is to simplify this expression to its lowest terms. First, observe that in the numerator, which is the top part of the fraction, we have two terms, 2x squared and minus 4x. Notice that both terms have a common factor. A common factor is a value that can be divided evenly into each term of an expression. Here, the common factor in 2x squared and minus 4x is 2x. Let's factor out the common factor 2x from both terms in the numerator. Factoring out means to express the terms as a product of the common factor and another term. When we factor 2x from 2x squared, we get 2x times x. When we factor 2x from minus 4x, we get 2x times minus 2. So, the numerator 2x squared minus 4x can be rewritten. It becomes 2x times open fraction x minus 2. Now, we rewrite the entire expression by replacing the numerator with this factored form. So, the expression becomes 2x times x minus 2 over x. This is how we alter the expression to prepare for further simplification. Note that in this step, we factor the numerator to expose a common factor with the denominator, which helps in reducing the expression to its lowest terms. Step 2. Now that the expression 2x times x minus 2 over x has been rewritten, we can simplify further by cancelling out common factors in the numerator and the denominator. In the current expression, 2x times x minus 2 over x, we notice that both the numerator and the denominator contain the factor x. This means we can cancel the x in the denominator with one of the x's in the numerator. Cancelling out common factors essentially means dividing the numerator and the denominator by that common factor. Here, we divide both the numerator and the denominator by x. So, when we cancel x in 2x times x minus 2 over x, we are left with just 2 times x minus 2. The expression now is 2 times x minus 2. This is the final simplified form of the original rational expression.